What if the biggest expense in washing your fleece in the water, electricity, or even equipment? This is the cost many operators pay every single day without even realizing this. When people calculate the cost of what's in the bus, they usually think about water, electricity, cleaning chemical, or labor. Those are easy to measure because they appear directly on monthly expenses. But the real cost often comes from something much harder to see. Every extra minute spent washing a vehicle manually is time the driver, staff, or maintenance team could have spent on more valuable work. When wash quality depends on individual experience, some vehicles come out cleaner than others, forcing additional toils that's costing even more labor. During busy operating hours, delays begin to add up. One bus waiting to be cleaned can affect the schedule of the next vehicle, creating the chain reaction across the depot. Over weeks and months, these hidden inefficiencies become far more expensive than most fleet operators expect. Manual washes also make planning difficult because cleaning time changes depending on the weather, the condition of the vehicle, or the experience of the person performing the work. Thus, uncertainty makes it harder to maintain and predictable daily operation. An automatic wash system trains that equation by replacing variable process with predictable performance. Every wash follows the same sequence, require minimal operator intervention, and deliver consistent results regardless of workload. Instead of wondering how long this vehicle will take, fleet managers can build schedules with confidence because the process becomes reliable and predictable. At Go&Go, we believe automation is not simply about replacing manual work. It's about eliminating hidden operation costs that slowly reduce productivity over time. When vehicles spend less time waiting, employees spend less time repeating the same task, and managers spend less time solving avoidable problems. The entire operation becomes more efficient. The greatest return on investment does not always come from what you save on utility. It often comes from the hour, consistency, and operational stability you gain every single day. If you are still comparing automatic wash system based only on purchase price, you may be overlooking the costs that affect your business every day. Follow Go&Go for more fleet management insight and contact us to discover how automation can reduce hidden operational expense while improving long-term efficiency.